We're a small business. We're a car wash, washing cars with soap and water, but it's not really that simple. It's very technical now. It's high tech. Internet is a critical piece of the puzzle. Everything that we do in this facility here is tied to Spectrum's internet. First, through a tag reader that's reading the tag of the vehicle coming in the car wash, opening a gate, letting the tunnel know that car's arrived. We have 40 cameras here that are all tied to the internet. Every one of those cameras are coming through our static IP address that's provided by Spectrum. The car gets measured every time it comes into one of these tunnels. We measure the car, we make sure that the equipment is now set up for that specific vehicle. Not only the chemical application, but the amount of pressure that we put on the vehicle. Behind the scenes, we have very complex technology. Different people are monitoring different things on this site at all times. And if one of those cars is seen coming out of its box that's created around that vehicle as it goes through the tunnel, then immediately that tunnel's halted so we don't have a collision inside that tunnel. That's all handled off-site, tied into our network system, which is all going right back to the Spectrum internet. We have 5 locations that we are operating. Each of our locations had to have Spectrum internet because it's so critical to our business. We need to be tied in with one provider that's stable, that we know we can count on, and that was Spectrum. I've had other services, and I've had interruptions, and you just can't run a business like that. With Spectrum, I've got a solid connection that I can count on, that's reliable, and it's made a huge difference in our operations. So if your business is dependent on internet and solid connections, Spectrum's really the only option.